Hello and welcome. Can we show one too many field in tree view? Answer is yes. You can dynamically configure a one-to-many field table like order line in sale order directly within the sale order tree view without modifying code. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Step 1. Creating a dynamic tree view. Configuration. To begin, we create a new dynamic configuration. Assign a name to the configuration. Select the model where the fields should appear. Choose the one-to-many field from the model's available one-to-many fields. Define a custom display name for clarity. Select the columns of one-to-many field that should be shown in the table. Specify the menu from Tree View menus where the new field will be displayed. Customize the color scheme and text formatting for better readability. Step 2. Configuring and refining the table. Next, we fine-tune the display. Adjust and rearrange the column order. Set the text alignment and wrapping preferences. Define custom column widths for a structured layout. Once the settings are finalized, we simply apply the dynamic configuration, making the form read-only for consistency. Step 3. Viewing the results. Now, let's refresh the list view, and there you have magic. The newly configured dynamic one-to-many tree view is fully functional. Additionally, we can create a customized color palette, allowing for a more visually appealing and intuitive table layout. And that's it. With this dynamic approach, you can effortlessly tailor your one-to-many tree views in Odoo without any manual modifications to encode. Thank you for watching.